Today, I will be showing how we can use the past continuous tense for scene settings. Please remember to like and share this video, leave me a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Did you know the past continuous tense is often used in storytelling to set a scene or describe a situation? Let's see an example. I had such a fun weekend. My friends and I went walking in gorgeous, lively downtown. We also went dancing. Now your turn. Describe a memorable moment using the past continuous tense.